going to Abu Dhabi with my car and I'm traveling alone. But first thing first, let's go to Jayco because there's no Jayco in the UAE. My order is ready. Thank you. There's discount for me.
Already you can already.
Thank you.
What condition?
Wow, that's free for me. Thank you, Sandeep.
250.
250. Okay. Driving. It's almost sunset. It's 8 hours 49 minutes traffic. I have free Jayco here. I'm gonna eat this. Stop is petrol station. So almost full tank na siya. Can cover 500 kilometers. I bought water to be hydrated. First stop over because mangihi ko. Currently, naka-ride na ko 312 kilometers for 3 hours and 30 minutes. Toilet time. Ang timing naman, sarado ang gas station. It's my car right here. Next gasoline station. I have 5 hours to wait. 60 riyals. Earlier is also 60 riyals. Everything is in Arabic. Letter alphabets. So I just chose whatever was on the display, and there's chicken and there's egg and there's falafel. I chose egg. Chicken. 4 hours and 44 minutes left. We're near to the sea. We're approaching Salwa. And that's a kilometer. The flags. And we're going this way. And we are 4 hours and 37 minutes away. 3 hours and 29 minutes. I'm already driving 6 hours, 592 kilometers. Another fill up because they said this is the last station for the border, and after the border, ADNOC stations are, it's like far from the border, so I have to at least fill up the, yeah. And it's only 18. Good. Let's go. This is it. I'm at the border. The custom asked for my passport and he gave me this. And the next is the immigration. I just passed the immigration. Just asked for my passport. That's it. They even asked for my exit or entry, my tourist visa. I don't know. Maybe in for sure it's in UAE immigration. So, and yeah, I'm here. I can feel the humidity of Abu Dhabi. So when the immigration, I took my passport, the second counter, there was a small paper, and on the third counter they asked for that small paper, and that's it. Next, I'm going to UAE border. So I parked my car there and I go to the passport control unit. Right here at the passport control, they gave me this small paper that I need to show in that section over there, that counter over there. And the immigration officer is like, do you have contact lens? No, I don't have. False eyelashes, yes I have. Joke. They inspect my car, he sat down here and then he stamped this one. He's checking. He checked my car. What are you gonna do in Abu Dhabi? Are you working in Abu Dhabi? I worked before in Abu Dhabi, but no longer working there. I'm already working in Saudi. Next is insurance. I think this is the last. Insurance for 200 is how many weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks only. For 1 month?
315.
315. For 6 months? 500. And for 1 year? 800 plus. Okay. So in the insurance, I thought that I availed the Tawania insurance including GCC, but it's only for my car, like comprehensive, but the third party is not included. So for the third party, I have to pay 200 for that. Oh my god. So visa is 400, exit re-entry is 200, and insurance is 200. The total of how much? 800 plus petrol. 60, 60, 40. Kano na yun? 160. So, almost 1,000 din. So, after the insurance, there's another counter. They will take the small paper that was being stamped for like the car inspection, and you will hand it over to them. And I think that's the last one. I hope so. So, how many counters was that? It's a lot. So welcome to the UAE! One thing I like in Abu Dhabi, the speed limit is up to 160. Yes. You are welcome. Come and move upon this place. Currently, and this is the third, I guess, ADNOC station. I don't know, my gas should be 91, but here, I don't know, super, I don't know, special. ADNOC station. Full tank here is 80 dirhams, and in Riyadh it's 60.